To make a Trueplay calibration, you will need two things. The first one is a working Sonos speakers, and the second one is an iPhone. Yes, you absolutely need an iPhone. The Trueplay calibration is not available on Android. So if you only have an Android, you will need an iPhone. Now to show you how to do it, I will leave you to a part of my complete video about how to set up a Sonos system, and that's following just right now. And if like me, you don't have an iPhone, yes, actually I do have an iPhone, but I buy it only to do that tutorial. So if you don't have an iPhone, call one of your friends and invite him for dinner. If you have an iPhone, of course. And at some point in the evening, borrow his iPhone and do the configuration with its iPhone. You can then leave. You don't have to do it right now. You can always do it later. This is a step you do only when your speakers are installed at their final place and that your room is well furnished. I mean, if you are actually moving, well, wait that everything is at its place, that your dining table is at the place, your big furniture, the sofa, everything. Wait for the stuff to be in place before you do it, because otherwise you will have to do it again. Basically, what Trueplay does is that it corrects the imperfection of the room, like reverberation. By following the steps, you will see that, well, we'll do it together. So we go into System, and then we go in the room we want to calibrate. I'm gonna pick the TV room because this will be the biggest Trueplay you will have to do. If you take a single speakers, the configuration is a bit shorter. You skip the first part, in fact. So let's take TV room, and then I go down to Trueplay, and then Trueplay tuning, and then continue, and then yes, you will have to remove the case of your phone just to make sure that the audio on the microphone is at its best. So yes, remove it. If it's complicated to remove, I don't care, remove it, you need to do it. Then begin tuning. Sonos would like to access your microphone, okay. And then prepare to measure the sound. Trueplay tuning use your iPhone microphone to listen to test tone. Background noise will affect tuning, so make sure your room is as quiet as you can. And yes, make sure it is. If there is other people in the room, ask them to leave and be quiet in another room. If your neighbors is actually mowing the grass, wait is done before you do it. Make sure it is as quiet as possible. When I do it, I even turn off the ventilation. Okay, your fridge in the kitchen that you can hear a bit, it's fine. But make sure it's as silent as possible. And I'm gonna say continue. And then yes, explain a bit what we will have to do. The first step, we will have to, I'll say continue, sit where you watch. So actually I set up the TV room, so sit on your sofa at the place you will listen TV. You may have several places where you will listen TV, that's fine. It will play great everywhere, but sit at your main place. And if you are two and you have a 3-place sofa, sit in the middle, that's fine. And then continue, and yes, rotate your phone. And at the next step, well, continue. It says hold your phone just like this at your eyes level. The idea is to have the microphone at your ears level. That's the idea. And hold your phone tight and make sure your finger doesn't move on it, because otherwise your phone will hear this kind of noise. And make sure you don't breathe in the phone, because that's what it's gonna hear. So hold it tight, don't breathe on it, and hit continue, and just wait. And hit play. All right. Sorry about the microphone audio. I've just realized that my card was full, so I've just come back from the microphone camera to the clip mic. So let's keep going on. Next step, we will have to watch this little video. Yes, you need to watch it all. So you will see there is this lady that going everywhere in the room and take its phone just like that. Let me explain you. Again, you hold your phone tight and you will move from up to down and take your phone and point up, point down, up, down while you're moving like this. I know it looks ridiculous, but it does a wonderful job. And make sure you move everywhere in your room. Don't stay at the same place and move just like this. You need to go everywhere. And if you don't, you will need to restart over and over again. They will know if you don't move. So move everywhere, go up and down, make little step, and make sure you don't have shoes that will make noise every time you will put your feet on the ground. Move as quiet as possible. So I'm gonna move up and say I'm ready to tune and start. And we are done. Trueplay tuning successful. Finish. I know it looks really stupid, but it does a wonderful job. You can take your phone on the right side, and if you don't believe me, when you're done to do it, make some music play and come back to the settings, and from here you can toggle from tuning Trueplay tuning from off to on, to off to on, and whatever. Try it. You will see it does a wonderful job. You will have to do it on every speakers of your house, except the Move, because the Move do like an auto Trueplay while moving. So if you take it in a really small room, for example, like in the bathroom, listen to it few seconds, and in less than a minute, it will change the audio setup to adapt to the room. But for the other one, you will have to do it in every room. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my other Sonos tutorial, visit my link in the description or just right here. I have a lot of video on the subject. Also, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Maybe you'll give me an idea for the next video. If you're shopping for a new Sonos device, please see my link in the description. And you should also see my video how to choose the right Sonos device for you just right here. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!